Are you wondering what's going on with Boxabl and when you can expect to have your new Boxabl home? Well, here's an update for you. As of June 2021, Boxabl is in the final stages of setting up their new 170,000 square foot factory in Las Vegas. With an innovative system protected by over 17 patents, robot arms, and automobile-style factory mass production, this factory should be able to produce anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000 homes annually by 2022. This factory mass production will not only enable more affordable housing, but will enable extreme quality control and allow an inventory of pre-built Boxables that will allow you to order one day and have the Boxabl shipped out the very next day. Boxabl plans that this factory will be just the first in a worldwide partner factory plan that will use a franchise-style model to set up factories across the globe and combat housing shortages everywhere. The new factory will also include a 2-story Boxabl home, and Boxabl will offer electric golf cart factory tours so customers can see the production process. Boxabl has received a federal government contract for 156 Boxabl casitas, which have to be completed in 11 months. Once they have completed that order, they can begin work on the over 20,000 casita pre-orders that they have received. Boxabl is on the move, and people are definitely taking notice. Over 6 months ago, Boxabl delivered a casita to a very famous individual in Texas, most recently hinted at being Elon Musk. Future plans include not only being able to offer the casita, a 20-foot by 20-foot studio with appliances for about $50,000, but Boxabl also plans to offer multiple building types, which can range from add-ons to your casita, like a master bedroom box, a 2-bedroom box, or a man cave box. Boxabl also foresees plans for full-size single-family homes, townhomes, duplexes, or even multi-family buildings with over 1,000 units. There are so many applicable possibilities for this innovative building system, it's almost mind-blowing. For more information about Boxabl, including investing and reserving your own, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have fun today.